Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix blurry face photos taken on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or S25 Ultra. Sometimes the background looks clear, but the face comes out blurry. Don't worry, I'll show you a simple editing trick to make the face sharp and the background beautifully blurred. Let's get started. First, open Gallery on Samsung device. Then open the photo you want to edit from your gallery. Tap on Edit. Now go to the Portrait Effects option. Here you can easily adjust the background blur and bring more focus to the face. Then tan on Focus option and tap on your photos. Face then move the slider to blur the background and make the subject stand out clearly. This will create a DSLR-like portrait effect. Once you're happy with the result, just tap on Save and your photo is fixed. And that's it! You've successfully turned a blurry face photo into a clear, professional-looking portrait using the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or S25 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.